Kevin bestaan bij 61st Street en 14th Avenue bij Finishing Styles Furniture met mijn idee Matge meisels.
I get Matge. Come on in.
Let's go.
Welcome, welcome.
Wow.
We're not just a furniture store. This is our family's little world. You know, but Yiddish families, they like everything big. They don't like small things. So all of our items, should it be a couch, should it be a chair, should it be a table, should it be a bed, has their own story, and we would like to make this story part of yours.
Get it. Wow. Let's go. Let's hear the story. Wow, Matge, deze down store.
Yes, welcome.
Beautiful,
welcome
beautiful.
inside. So this is not just panusa for us, this is actually a passion for us.
Really?
It's a passion because every Yiddish home likes to have a good home, to have a good home environment, to add life into your home. So that. This is not just panusa, this is our passion that we're doing for around 20 years. We're at this location for 14 years.
20 years when you're in the furniture line.
And we're doing here on this location for 14 years. So like I said, it's not really panusa, it's more a passion to make every home beautiful, like it's our home for you.
So saying there are many meisels homes around Borough Park.
Many, many, many.
The meisels are all over the place with their unique, beautiful furniture. Deze maakt Yiddish hoes in Yiddish.
So we know exactly what a Yiddish home needs. Or should it be a dining room table that a person has to sit 12 or 20 people? We could accommodate that. We have very large dining room tables, or let's say a small bedroom that we have to fit in 2 beds. We have professionals to fit in 2 beds, or a recliner that we need when Bobby comes for Shabbos, that she should be able to relax.
A nice pink one.
Or a chair for somebody to learn in the showroom room. It should be geschmack to sit down and learn the Gemara. So we know exactly what a heimische Yiddish home needs.
Nice.
So we know, especially with kids and einiglich, there's a lot of people that are always worried about the fabrics on the chairs, the fabrics on the sofas. We have thousands of fabrics to choose from, all over the place, and to make your home, your Jewish home, stress-free. So we have fabrics all over, and everything is enhanced and ready to clean. Besides that, we have on the premises interior decorators that help you not just buy the furniture, just to decorate and get your home all together. So we're here always to help professionals. We sit down with you. Everybody sits down with our professionals.
You see on one side, you see exactly what...
And to make your home, we sit down with you to enhance it and even put it together. And we have a lot of decorators coming in here as well.
Wow.
And they like to sit with us because we make a great team with everybody else.
Beautiful.
So another thing is that I love, we have a diversity of customers. That means we have people that have small homes, we have koidel customers, and then we have people that have homes with 12, 13 bedrooms. And Baruch Hashem, we cater to all of them. We could take a koidel customer or somebody that doesn't have much funds and fit in their budget what they want. And we are very picky on what we do. So it doesn't mean because you're getting something a little inexpensive, it means that it's cheap or not beautiful. Even if it's on a lower budget, we have it for them. And that's what we do. And then if somebody has a huge home and does a mansion that we do all the time, we have gorgeous upper end. So I love the diversity of selling upper end furniture and lower end furniture.
And the service is the same.
Everything is the same. I'll sit with the same person that has an upper end house for 10 hours, and I'll sit for somebody with a lower end with 2 bedrooms the same time.
Unbelievable.
We don't have any, as I say, discrimination against anybody. Here upstairs we have a little bit more. We have so upstairs we have some upscale, this is real marble, tables. We could do it any size, custom table. You see the starburst design. And here comes out an extension, like I said. You get the bigger the family, you could extend it and then it gets hidden underneath.
You don't discriminate the size of the family.
Absolutely not.
From 2 kids to 20 kids.
And here we have our a little bit upscale tables. Here we have carpets. We help you choose carpets to finish your room as well.
So you legit take the guy from the whole entire...
From A to Z, we do everything.
Wow, beautiful, beautiful plush.
From fixtures, you can try to get a good shot from the top.
It's got a very nice chandelier here.
We have everything, all the chandeliers and all the lighting. So Chaim, let me jetzt angegangen to the zweite showroom. This is mamish next door. And I'll take you in to show you what we have there. Like that, we have everything that everybody can see. So here we're going now to our second store. It's right next door to the other one.
Get back kick. Wow. This is the beddings. Wow, I love this. Beautiful schoidas to do.
So basically, we have your stuff for everybody's budget and high-end quality Italian stuff. Now there's another thing that we've done the last nice few months. We have color packages to fit every color's budget. I always say, if a house is nice and neat, the Shulambayah starts on the right foot. So to start on the right foot, you have to have everything nice, neat, and what the chus and the color want. So we have here color packages. We beat everybody's prices. We're the lowest in town. Everybody knows that. Not just in the color packages, but all the other furniture, we're also the lowest prices in town. And our color packages work a little bit different than all the other packages, because sometimes you go into a place, they tell you buy this, this, and this. This is in the package. Here, the color can get what she wants. Now we have packages she could choose from. She choose from the furniture if she wants. She could buy this furniture and this dining room set. Will fit everything in the color's budget that she wants for her home to make her happy. I don't want you should be just stuck onto one item. And if she has the options of everything, that's what will make her happy. Like that, we let her choose whatever she wants, and we sit with the colors. Besides that, we have at night evening appointments for colors, even if we're very tired during the day, but we know colors work during the day. So we sit here at night, sometimes to 11, 12 o'clock to make every color happy. So here we have linen. This is the most expensive linen that you could get in Borough Park, the highest from the highest ends. And we choose all the linen, and they choose all their houseware. Everything is for the color package and all the style.
So that means a color package comes with houseware,
linen, beds,
headboards,
all the furniture that they need from A to Z to make them happy and to start their home on the right foot.
Matche, listen, like you said, once you come here, you join the Meisels family. You want every single person part of the family to be happy.
Like I said, it's not a business, it's our passion to make people happy. And it's unbelievable that we're in a business that the passion can work out. When I see a chus and kala or somebody building your house, walking out with a smile, it makes me happy as well.
Matche, they say if you're happy at your job, you never work a day in your life. It's beautiful.
So that is who we are, a family business to make other families happy. One couch, one bed, one dining room set at a time. We come, we spend time with you. We make your shopping experience fun. And at the end of the day, you will go out with something you love and maybe with a few new cousins as well.
Geht gesucht. Sei geht, war am Ende, du wusst the Perlowitz promotion. Macht allemaal promotion.
So I was thinking of doing a great Perlowitz promotion. We knew a whole summer, everybody was running around looking for the Perlowitz cards. So I had a great idea. We are going to have Perlowitz cards.
Nice.
Reb Chaim is going to give us Perlowitz cards, and he's going to put inside how much % discount you get at the store. So if you spend over $1,000 in our store, you're going to get a Perlowitz card. You'll open it up. Chaim is going to write 5%, 10%, 15%, 20%, 25%, and up. Chaim's going to choose.
No
it's going to be closed in an envelope.
So Kala can do a package here?
Not just a Kala. Anybody that does furniture for their house, is going to come and you say, you want the Perlowitz card? I'm going to give you a Perlowitz card before you start to buy the stuff. And that's going to be your gift and your promotion.
That's amazing. We can daar ook mama schutz te beginnen. Amazing, Matche. Go for that promotion. The store blows me away. It's a shine, it's an elegance, it's a classy, it's a beautiful. The price is amazing. The quality. And the best of all, to join the Mazel family.